Let's talk about something most women rarely express out loud, the quiet, magnetic power that leaves an impression no one ever forgets. It's not about appearance or perfection. It's about presence, the kind of energy that makes people feel seen, safe, and deeply connected. This isn't about performance. It's about emotion. It's about understanding how real connection is created through awareness, confidence, and warmth. As women, especially after 40 or 50, we begin to experience a transformation that's not a loss, but a reawakening. With time, you gain a deeper understanding of yourself, your emotions, your intuition, your rhythm. You begin to embody a kind of calm power that younger versions of yourself could only imagine. That's your secret strength. It's not what you do, it's who you are while doing it. When you move through life with confidence, people feel it. When you speak with sincerity, they listen differently. The way you make others feel becomes your signature, a kind of unspoken language of energy. That's the essence of connection. It's what people remember long after the moment has passed. And here's the truth, real connection begins with slowing down. We rush through so much in our lives, work, conversations, even our emotions. But the most meaningful moments happen in the pauses, in the spaces between words, in the quiet where emotion can be felt instead of forced. When you slow down, you give yourself permission to be present. You start to notice the subtleties, the tone of a voice, the rhythm of your breath, the calm between each heartbeat. Presence is power. It grounds you. It draws people in naturally, without effort or strategy. When you're truly present, others feel it too. They sense your calm, your confidence, your awareness, and that energy becomes irresistible. Another key to authentic connection is eye contact. It's a small act, but one that carries deep emotional weight. When you look at someone with genuine attention, you're not just seeing them, you're recognizing them. You're saying, "I'm here. I see you." That kind of focus builds trust and creates an invisible bridge between two people. Eye contact also invites vulnerability. Many people shy away from it because it feels too revealing. But that's exactly what makes it powerful. Looking into someone's eyes, even for a few seconds, can say more than 1,000 words. It communicates honesty, compassion, and emotional safety, the kind of connection that's remembered long after the conversation ends. Science even supports this. When you truly connect through your gaze, your body releases oxytocin, the hormone that deepens emotional bonds. That's why genuine eye contact feels grounding. It doesn't demand attention, it earns it. True connection isn't just about words or gestures, it's about the energy you carry into every moment. Your warmth, your confidence, your willingness to be present, those are the things that transform ordinary experiences into unforgettable ones. And this is where wisdom becomes your greatest gift. Because with age comes understanding, the ability to read emotion, sense rhythm, and move through life with quiet assurance. You don't need to try harder, you simply need to be. The calm, self-assured version of yourself is already powerful beyond measure. That's what emotional presence looks like, and that's the kind of energy that creates real, lasting connection. There's another layer to connection that goes beyond presence, it's the quiet strength of intention. Every gesture, every word, every look becomes meaningful when it carries intention behind it. It's not about control or perfection, it's about awareness. When your energy and actions are aligned, people feel it. They sense your calm assurance, your authenticity, and your openness. That's what truly captures attention. Think about how your hands move when you speak, how your expressions change when you listen, how your voice softens when you care. These are subtle, yet powerful forms of communication. Your body language tells a story long before your words do. When you bring mindfulness to those little details, your tone, your movement, your stillness, you begin to create an atmosphere of emotional safety and trust. That's where confidence becomes grace. You no longer need to prove anything. You simply allow your energy to speak for you. The more grounded you are in your truth, the more magnetic you become. People are naturally drawn to authenticity because it's rare. They can feel when you're fully present, when your smile is genuine, your focus is steady, and your emotions are real. This kind of connection isn't about intensity, it's about harmony. It's the balance between strength and softness, confidence and compassion. When you lead with calm energy, others naturally relax around you. They open up. They feel safe enough to be themselves. And that, in itself, is one of the most powerful gifts you can offer. As women grow older, many fear losing their spark, but in truth, it only transforms. The spark of youth becomes the steady flame of wisdom. You've lived, loved, faced challenges, and learned from them. Each experience has shaped your emotional intelligence. You no longer need to chase attention because you radiate it effortlessly. You know when to speak and when silence says more. You know that strength doesn't always roar, sometimes, it whispers. That understanding is what makes maturity so captivating. You hold a quiet kind of confidence that can't be taught, only lived. It's a power built not on appearance, but on self-awareness, a knowing that you don't have to be perfect to be powerful. You just have to be real. People remember how you made them feel. Not what you wore, not what you said, but the calm, grounded energy you carried. They remember how your presence made the room feel different, lighter, warmer, more alive. That's your signature. That's your magic. So when you step into connection, whether with a partner, a friend, or even yourself, lead with presence. Let your energy speak before your words do. Breathe deeply. Slow down. Let your emotions flow naturally. There's beauty in stillness and power in vulnerability. Remember, your age is not a limitation. It's your advantage. It means you've lived through seasons that have taught you grace, strength, and understanding. It means you carry wisdom in your words and compassion in your touch. You are not losing your light, you are refining it. And the greatest secret of all? You are the experience. You are the moment people remember, the calm in the storm, the warmth in the cold. You don't have to strive to be unforgettable, you already are. All you need to do is show up as yourself, aware, confident, and deeply present. Because true beauty, true connection, and true power come from one place, within.